Welcome back to another vlog in Tennessee. I want to go over what I plan to do to the Prelude while I'm down here. There's a big mod that I wanted to get done while I was going to be fortunate enough to have good weather. I can't really do this while I'm up in Massachusetts. Gonna try and get it done in the next few weeks. First, what I want to do is give this thing a nice wash. If you guys take like a closer look at the wheels, they definitely need some love. In my free time, I probably won't do it in the vlog unless you guys really want me to, but I'm gonna be buffing the rest of this car. When I did it last time, I got all the way back to this panel here, right on the back of the trunk, and I basically did this whole side here, the door and the front fender, and also the hood. I have a lot left to do, and what better way to start than having a really clean car. Washing the car is great when you're at a car wash and you just do like the quick rinse, but there's a whole nother level of washing when you put a mitt onto it. So I'm gonna use the microfiber mitt today, give it a good hand wash. Again, clean up those wheels, get all the gunk out of my hardware on them. I left all, or at least most of my cleaning supplies back in Massachusetts. So luckily my dad has a lot. Just this one time, I'm going to use his soap, which he's got this nice nano wax as you wash. Oh yeah, duh. I'm gonna be using that on there. Just got to hook up the hose wherever that might be. I did bring my own wash mitt, so that's good. Don't know where it is, damn. Found the wash mitt, so cue the wash. Prelude is all cleaned up, looking nice. Got some serious holograms on this side, so I cannot wait to actually hit the whole car with a buffer. I've already, like I said, done the hood and most of this side, so that's why it probably, I don't even know if the camera picks it up, but it looks a lot better, a lot less swirls in the paint. But real quick guys, the purpose of this video is to update you guys on this interior. The big reveal while I'm down here, and I know I've said it in my videos before, but we're gonna be doing an entire interior swap basically on this Prelude. Everything in here is blue. We're gonna be changing it to black. This means every piece of plastic in here will likely have to be removed, and I'm gonna basically use spray paint to get most of the hard plastic here. Obviously there's some parts that are already black, which I won't have to do, so that's helpful, but we're gonna have to redo the doors. I'm gonna put new, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do carpet or something, as well as new speaker covers. It's just all gotta get done. Because my steering wheel is a black suede too, what I wanna do is do more of like a black Alcantara, probably not real stuff, but you get the point. Do that on the roof liner, as well as all these gray panels kind of around the car. All of these, even up here, is all gonna be black suede, which will blend right into the roof. And then again, the steering wheel, so it's gonna be like a nice contrast right there. Moving to the back, we have some more carpet up by the speakers, which I'll have to redo. That I'll probably do Alcantara as well. There's a couple pieces that we'll have to spray paint black. As far as this back seat goes, this I've been thinking about quite a bit. Now the way I see it, we have a couple options for this rear seat. We could try and dye it, I guess, try and dye it black. We could also get it reupholstered in black. Then we could also just do a rear seat delete, which is probably what I'm most likely gonna do, just because no one ever sits back here. As you can tell, there's absolutely no leg room. It's pretty useless. I honestly just use it for storing stuff 90% of the time. So I'm thinking about just doing maybe like some sheet metal with insulation going this way and then up, kind of to mimic a seat, but it'll just be a seat delete. Now this carpet, this entire carpet running through the car is gonna have to be taken out and probably dyed black. I don't think that will be too hard. I'll probably do my best to try and dye these rear carpets, but I don't know if you guys can tell, they're just pretty beat. I mean, they're not in great shape, but I think maybe if I clean them and then dye them, it'll blend in well enough. Now for these front seats, the plan here is to get rid of them. Well, I'm gonna keep them and hold on to them as like garage chairs or something, but I'm going to take them out of the car, and I plan to replace them with some black, probably Bride Lomax seats. Guys, they're probably not going to be real, so just a heads up. But I'm going to do that. I just need to figure out the situation with mounting them to the floor. Because this car is the only car I have down here right now, I obviously have to maintain it as being drivable. I can't just take stuff apart and not be able to drive the car while I'm painting it. So I'm going to be doing this incrementally. I'm going to start with maybe some easier pieces to take off and remove and try the paint on that first. I have to order the paint, so that's going to take a couple days, but that gives me time to pick the pieces that I want to start with, get them removed, and get this whole process of dyeing the interior on the Prelude black. I'm pretty excited, guys. I think it's going to look way better. Even though the outside of the car is blue and this blue interior is kind of retro and cool, I just think the black is going to blend a lot better. And long term, I don't know how easy this will be to do, but I would love to do a roll cage in here, so that way I could actually make or use harnesses for my seatbelt, because, well, the seatbelt's on the door, but guys, these never lock. These are the unsafest seatbelts I've ever seen. So no matter how hard you tug on that, it won't lock up, which just means it's pointless, right? If you get into an accident, there's no lockup preventing you from going out the windshield. So from a safety purpose, I really want to get the bucket seats in here, make sure they're mounted correctly, and then set up some sort of harness system where I can actually be a little bit safer in this car. So that, my friends, is the plan for the Prelude. You guys now know it, know what we're going to be doing while we're down here, at least what the biggest project's going to be. I know we'll probably do some smaller stuff, but this is the big one. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not quite sure how far we're going to get exactly on it. I'm going to plan to get as far as possible. If I can get the whole thing done, meaning all the carpet, the upholstery, probably not the rear seat delete. That's going to be some sort of custom fabrication depending on what I decide to do. And the seats, I don't know how easy that's going to be to attain those, as well as figure out the brackets. But if we can get like the painting and even all like the headliner and suede done, then we're well on our way to finishing the interior swap. So that's the goal, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video today to just update you guys on the plan. I hope you guys are enjoying these Tennessee vlogs. I'm gonna try and, like I said, just make it as next level as possible. Always up my game. But guys, I won't leave you in this video without some cinematics, so stay tuned after this. But thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep elevating, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. That's right for me.